Aloha everybody, this is Raymond with 808 Tactical. As you folks all know, I love to build custom rifles. This is my latest build. It's the Sons of Liberty 5.56 M4A1 rifle. So what we have here is a Sons of Liberty Scalper lower receiver, a Veltura A5 H2 buffer system for minimizing recoil, which works really well with a mid-length gas system, Magpul MOE SL faded dark earth adjustable carbine stock, BCM Gunfighter FDE grip with storage, Sons of Liberty complete upper receiver, 1/7 twist, chromoly palladium, Sons of Liberty mid-length gas system. Oh, I said that. Sons of Liberty M89 handguards, free floating, one of the strongest on the markets. LaRue rail covers for extra grip and to keep your hands protected from the heat generated by the barrel. 5.5 all chambered in 5.56 caliber. Radian Raptor charging handle. Both Sons of Liberty boat carrier group, one of the finest on the markets also. All complete with a Sons of Liberty lower parts kit. Liberty Fighting 2-stage trigger, all built to factory specifications by 808 Tactical. Aloha.